and shout. Morning, downtown, nice, Stanley, man, central, windows, convenient, couldn't, student, spend, inexpensive, town, and anyway, conversation. Good morning, I'm interested in renting a one-bedroom apartment downtown. Certainly, we have a nice apartment on the corner of Main Street and Central Avenue. It has big windows, a new kitchen, and a very convenient location, and it is only 1,120 a month. I couldn't pay $1,120 a month. I'm a student. A student, how much can you spend? Well, I didn't want to spend more than $700 a month. $700 a month? We don't often have apartments as inexpensive as that. Not in the center of town anyway. We have got one apartment for $790 a month. Where is it? Is it in the same neighborhood? No, it isn't. It is on 7th Avenue near the train station. I don't know. I mean, I need to be near the university. It's on the bus line. It has a kitchen, but the kitchen doesn't have an oven. No oven. Well, a nice kitchen isn't that important to me. There's a garden in the front, but the tenants can't use it. The landlord lives downstairs. Friends are forbidden in the apartment after midnight. No noise and no television after 11 half. No, no thank you. I want an apartment, not a prison. Not a prison. Exercise. I want to sleep now because I'm falling asleep. I want to go out now because I'm relaxing. I want to do homework now because I have meeting. I want to do exercise now because I'm fat. I want to study English now because I want to have a good job.